Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Technical Probe YouTube channel, and today I got a very special video for you guys. Today we're gonna review the latest phone from Realme, which is their Realme C11. So let's get started. Now first let's unbox the device itself. So in the box, first you'll get a greeting card, and after that you'll get the phone itself. Keeping the phone aside, we get a 10-watt USB charger and a micro USB cable, which is pretty sad to see, as it's 2020 and all the other brands are moved away from micro USB. So first let's talk about the build quality of the device. The build quality is pretty good considering its price. So at the bottom of the device you get a micro USB port, a microphone port and a speaker port. Now moving to the right side of the device, you get a volume rocker and the power button. At the top of the device you get nothing, and at the left of the device you get a SIM ejector with dedicated micro SD card support, which is pretty good in this price segment. Now talking about the durability of this device, the phone comes with a plastic bag which is acceptable for the price and also provides more durability than the glass. Now at the front of the device you get a 6.4-inch 720p LCD display, which has pretty good viewing angles and vibrant colors. The display also holds a teardrop notch housing a 5 megapixel front camera. Speaking of cameras, at the back of the phone you get a dual camera layout, with primary being a 13 megapixel shooter and the secondary being a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The phone can capture video in Full HD at 30 fps and 720p also in 30 fps. Here are some photos taken using the stock camera app. The stock camera app in the phone is pretty good considering the specs of the device. Now speaking about specifications, the phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G35 processor and with 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, and also it comes with 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty good. This phone also comes with a software skin called as Realme UI. It's based on Android version 10, and also it is expected to receive Android 11, which is pretty good as budget phones tend to not get any major software updates. The phone offers many features like app management, app cloner and game space, which is pretty good as ROM development for this device is very difficult, and neither there is no custom ROMs available at the time of shooting this video. Now talking about the gaming performance of this device, this phone is not for gamers. So in PUBG the default graphics setting is smooth and medium, and also the phone tend to get hot during gaming session. So the final verdict is, if you're just a casual user or want a secondary phone, or even want to gift this a phone for your grandparents who consumes only content, then this phone is worth considering. The price of this device is 7,500 for 2 GB and 32 GB variant, which is pretty aggressive considering its competition is also offering low-end processor for the same price. So that's it guys for today. If you like this video, be sure to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and share this video so everyone can know me, and stay tuned for more videos guys. Till then, peace out.